But first, do you think the future of motor cars is electric? One man certainly seems to think so.
Welcome, everyone, to the Model 3 unveil. We have an amazing product to show you tonight, and but I want to just preface this by talking about why does Tesla exist? Why are we making electric cars? Why does it matter? It's because it's very important to accelerate the transition to sustainable transport. It really is.
Uniquely American whooping there at the announcement of a new electric car. That was the sound of Elon Musk, the boss of Tesla, giving a sneak preview on Thursday of his new Model 3 sedan. Now, this is a saloon car, so does it mean that finally we might be seeing a real family car that is an electric car? Joining me now, the global editor-in-chief at Stuff TV, Guy Cocker. Evening, Guy.
Hello, Ollie, you all right?
Yeah, good, thank you. This is big news for Tesla, isn't it? Because they've been making waves a lot with all this innovative stuff, but it's been sports cars for rich people until now.
Yeah, absolutely. And as a side note, I do hate that whooping that you get at those American press conferences. I like to have a bit more British reserve, I think. Yeah, the Tesla cars that are on the market at the moment are a lot more expensive than this. If you want to get a Tesla Model S, so you're looking at, with all the options, upwards of $80,000 or almost up to £100,000. So it really is a big piece of news that they're coming in at $35,000. We expect roughly about £30,000 when it makes it to the UK. The interesting thing is, it is a lovely-looking car. It's a car that you probably want to drive. I don't know if £35,000 is affordable for a lot of people, but it is certainly a lot more affordable than what Tesla's been doing already. And I actually had the privilege of driving the Tesla Model S, which is this, I think with all the options, £107,000. But it has some great features on there if you're a technology fan. The ability to drive on the motorway and have the car automatically move between lanes and cruise. The ability to bring your car out of the garage automatically. If you're a technology fan, it's a car that it's really exciting. It really is, and they are actually making it affordable. So $35,000. The problem that they have, I think, is that they only shipped last year 50,000 cars, and they're talking about ramping up production to 500,000 cars. So this is a very ambitious plan for Tesla, and based on previous performance with Tesla, they haven't delivered on time. They're saying that these cars will start coming through at the end of next year, so the end of 2017. I hope, and I really hope genuinely that Tesla will pull that off. But if I was less optimistic, I would say it's probably a bit ambitious.
So the million-dollar question, though, as well, is how practical it is to drive it and how much juice you get on the battery. I know they're improving that all the time, but, sorry to bring this spiralling down to earth, but if I'm driving through Beaconsfield services and there are 2 spaces for electric cars, what do I do if I'm running out of juice?
Yeah, I spent a week with a Kia electric car, £25,000 car that would have a maximum radius of about 90 miles, realistically speaking. And it was a bit of a nightmare driving it around. You would be constantly under the fear that you would run out of juice, and you would have to try and find an outlet. And when you did, there's a number of different keys that you can use, that you can subscribe to, and it's all very, very complicated. To Tesla's credit, they have got a great network of charging points. You can charge their cars up to about sort of 80% capacity with it under an hour, which is quite good. And its navigation system will tell you, say, if you're driving from, say, London to Edinburgh, it will make sure that you are plotted on a course that will get you to a recharging station. Imagine you take a break anyway and go to the motorway service station. It will take you on a route that will allow you to charge up, and it will do that for free, which is absolutely amazing. You can drive essentially from London to Edinburgh for free. But yeah, it is the big problem that electric cars have at the moment. Tesla's cars right now have a radius of around, depending on the options that you choose, around 200 miles. Basically, the entire base of that car is all batteries, and that is the most expensive component that they're making. And the reason that they're able to now make an affordable version of this car is that they are investing heavily in battery manufacturing plants that will get them to the scale that can bring this cost down.
Yeah, it's really interesting. I've seen interviews with Elon Musk where he said, you misunderstand us if you think of us as a car company. We're actually a battery company. Guy, thank you for that. Guy Cocker there, Global Editor-in-Chief at Stuff TV. Right.